In this video, you will learn how to change the style of your font. So you'll notice I have a font for my heading and I have a font for my text. And I currently want to change them to something different from what I already have. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to go to Google Fonts. I'm going to hit return and I'm going to go to this website, fonts.google.com. Now, once I get here, I can scroll through and see previews for all the different types of fonts. Maybe I like Merriweather, and this is what Merriweather would look like. Or maybe I prefer Nova Oval. So let's say I liked Nova Oval for my heading. I'm going to go and I'm going to click the plus sign to select this font, and it's going to pop up in my family selected. So I'm going to open up this box, and I need to take two things. The first thing I'm going to take is this link ref. I'm going to do Command C to copy it, come back to my HTML file, and now inside the head, so here's my open head, here's my close head, I just made some more space. After the title, I'm going to paste in my link ref, and then I'm going to go back to Google Fonts, and I'm going to take my CSS rules for font family, so I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to do Command C, come back. Again, I want it in my heading, so I'm going to go into my H1. I'm going to do the attribute for style equals open quote, paste, and then I'm going to close my quote. Notice how everything is green and good to go. Now if I hit save and I publish deploy as web app, hit latest code, you can see the style of my font has indeed changed from the initial. Awesome. Now, if I wanted to add another style font for the body or for the rest, for my P tag, for example, for this next paragraph, I can come back to Google Fonts. I'm going to click Clear All, and I keep scrolling. Let's say I really like this font, Indie Flower. I'm going to hit the plus, same as before, click Family Selected, take the link ref, copy it, come back to my HTML file, right on line 7, underneath my first link ref, I'm going to paste in my next one. So I have one for Nova, and I have one for Indie Flower. I come back to Google Fonts. I take my font family for my style. And let's say I want it just in my P tag. I can come here, add in style equals. So this will just change it for this paragraph. Close the quote and save, publish, deploy as web app, hit latest code, and you can see the font again has changed from the style beforehand. You can add as many different fonts as you like. You can also add your fonts directly into your body style, and that would change it for your entire website as opposed to just for your heading in H1 or just for a single paragraph in your P tags. So you really have to think about the style and layout of your website and how you want to be consistent with your formatting for your fonts throughout.